Okay guys, I'm getting ready to take down the Christmas tree. It is January 17th, I think, and it's like 9:20 at night, and I'm finally getting around to it. It is going to make me feel so much better because I feel like lately I just feel so chaotic inside because it's up. And I love my Christmas tree and it's beautiful, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that tree is. I mean, honestly, it warms my heart every time I see it, but I just need to get cleaned up and organized. You all know that feeling that you get when you put your stuff away. You just feel so much better. Like, oh, I can't wait to feel that feeling again. So anyways, stick around if you want to watch me speed through taking down my Christmas tree. I got a lot of my other Christmas decorations already put away, but this is like the last big thing that I have to get put away, so I'll feel so much better when it's done. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like these types of videos, and let's get started.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. the fun in doing what you're told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
Alright guys, we're all finished cleaning up the Christmas stuff. We still have more bins to buy so we can put all of our stuff away, because did you see all of that we still have? I am so glad
much.
that's all put away for the most part anyways. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. High five for good effort.
I'm worn out.
Time to relax in bed and veg, right?
Yeah. What's next season?
Next season of what?
Christmas is over. Winter's over. On to spring.
Valentine's.
Oh, yay.
Oh, he loves putting out all my decor with me.
I love it.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Like this video. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other.